Well, India's largest gas transmission company, GAIL, has announced a buyback of nearly 1,083 crore rupees. Now, the record date for this buyback is April 22nd, and the buyback size is 1,083 crore rupees. Now, the company intends to buy back shares at 190 rupees per share. That is a premium of nearly 22% compared to the current market price. Now, the company is aiming to buy back nearly 5.7 crore shares. Of this, 15%, that is close to 85.5 lakh shares, is reserved for retail shareholders. Now, what can a retail shareholder do to gain out of this? Firstly, he needs to buy shares worth less than 2 lakh rupees, that is close to 1282 shares. Now then he needs to tender all these shares for buyback. Now do remember, as of December 2021, there are 7 lakh retail shareholders which own close to 16.6 crore shares. Now this amount looks too much when you compare it with the amount reserved for the retail shareholders, but do remember, even last time, that is in 2021, when the company had announced a buyback, there were nearly 13.3 crore retail shares in the market, and still the retail acceptance at that time was 100%. So even if this time the retail acceptance is at 100%, then the gains that a retail investor can make through this buyback is close to 22%. If the acceptance ratio falls at around 50%, then the gains would be around 11%, and at 25% acceptance ratio, the gains would be close to 5.4%. Now do remember, the gains for this GAIL buyback would purely depend on the acceptance ratio. Higher the acceptance ratio, more will be the gain, and all these gains would be tax free, because buyback in the hands of shareholder is tax free.